kakhulu ngomso.
Hayi kakhulu. Kufuneka izicima mlilo.
Hayi nje lesifikayo.
Kufuneka i-fire brigade blind ngomso.
Hola.
Hey Tara, ayisho.
SUV challenge 2023.
Hayi inkulu kakhulu. From Winnie Madikizela Mandela Municipality to Nelson Mandela Metro Municipality.
You know Mandela,
Please.
Affected in my room, embracing the scars on the arms of a fighter. I'm in love with the girl in the mirror, conflicted in my pain. Oh, if I would not be but taught, so I move on, leave a lesson of hope, so I stay strong. In love with the girl in the mirror. In love with the girl in the mirror. In love with the girl in the mirror. She's happy, she's so loved. Scars are her beauty, she owns it, she's all that. In love with the girl in the mirror. In love with the girl in the mirror.
You know what's the craziest thing about this video is the fact that you're on your knees and you're I'm feeling great, guys. I'm in slaves, so that's taking me to the finish.
But no, it's the SUV challenge. How do you feel?
I'm happy, I feel you know, no rush, can you see it? It's gonna be a good day, it's gonna be amazing. Okay.
Ndanditshilo ndathi ndizawudibana naye akazuphela lo unyaka nakuthatha uzoba nemkhethi uyaziveza uba likhosi enkosi kirena
awenzele yimi